Teachers, welcome back. I hope you had a great summer. This is your first tip of the week from your instructional technology department, and it's a fun one. Whether or not you've seen Dumb and Dumber, you've probably seen this meme, but I'll tell you, some of us teachers have a more annoying sound, and it is the buzz from a projector in our room. So what is that? So it is actually the volume on the projector speaker itself. Now this can be really annoying in the classroom for both students and teachers. So instructionally speaking, if you're not using the volume from the projector speaker, just grab that remote and turn down the volume. If you can't find where to turn it down, usually there's a menu option to turn it down as well. So then if I don't use the speaker in the projector, what should I use? So there's no one right answer, but most of us have a sound bar. And in my opinion, that's a better sound than the single speaker on the projector. Plus you get to avoid that annoying buzz. Now you might have an upgrade and have some external speakers. Just make sure that these are actually plugged into the back of your CPU. They usually have a green tip and you just pair it up with the green port in the back of your computer and you're good to go. And you and your students will benefit from having better sound for all those videos and multimedia that you use in your classroom. And there it is, your first tip of the week for 2017-2018 school year. First of many. So speaking of which, if you have a classroom hack, instructional technology tip that you want to send my way, I'll make sure to feature it. Also, don't forget to hit up our team. We've got Sarah Rodden, Sylvia Berry. You probably already know them, but we've got a new member, Andre McConnell, and he comes to us with a ton of PD experience and tech in the classroom experience background. And don't forget about Michael Bridge. He is in the technology department, and his focus is the devices and the best devices to use, how to use them, and how to engage students with them. So I hope this helps, and I hope that you have a wonderful first week back to school.